Welcome back guys to another video on my channel, and today I'm just going to show you what I'm thinking about the market right now. We just saw a little choppy phase over the last few days. You could technically scalps all these kind of trades, but it's really hard to get a video out every time I take a scalp, and if I re-enter and if I close the trade, if I open the trade, it's really hard to track. So I was kind of a little bit inactive there. Didn't saw any nice trade setups. I got chopped up a little bit as well, so didn't made the best trades. But so I just took a little break. Now I'm back. Let's see where the market is going. And yeah, let's just start with Bitcoin right here, because Bitcoin is still the king, and what Bitcoin does, the altcoins are probably doing the same. And we can see for nice, we're still ranging here in this kind of range. Let me see if I have the volume levels here. Potential scalp here as what I like to do, if we are in a sideways range, we can just use the volume area here to mark possible support and resistance. So I'm just taking the volume profile, which is here on the right, fixed range volume profile, and I can see here, if I just turn on all these other stuff, let me just see levels. There we have a volume range here from here to here, and we can actually trade this one real good. We are over here where we can see we have the cut here, we have the value area low right here. So I'm marking this one as the value area low. Let me just turn on to these levels real quick so you can see better. So I'm marking these ranges here. Then we have the point of control right here. I can see the yellow line. I'm marking this one as the point of control. And we have over here the value area high. I'm marking this as the value area high. This is a general range. And we should expect, if we drop below the value area low, that we come up above at some point to this point. And if we go above, we're just going to drop in and come back in the value area low again on a point of control. So it's basically a range where we can trade, but you can see we often have these kind of deviations here or here, and yeah, that's basically the point where we wanna take these trades. We want to buy low and sell high, easy as that, basically. So we need to identify where the low and where the high is. We did so. And yeah, now we can just look at market cipher, which is giving us direction where where we should take a trade and where not. So technically we're watching for bullish divergences right here, and we can already see we got some bullish divergence right here. We have make a lower low right here, and we make a higher low right here. It's just confirming right now on the 3 hour. Let's see on the 2 hour. We even got it on the 2 hour, even got it on the 1 hour. The money flow, yeah, still looking alright. Maybe this is the bottom here and it's coming up so far, but we're still technically in a downtrend, guys, just to keep that in mind. We're coming from higher levels. We're just ranging here. It's more likely that we're going down furthermore, because the trend is different until it ends. Yeah, but still we can just trade it here, put our stop losses below, and just trade with good risk management, and yeah, take these kind of trades. So technically you could take this trade here if you're really quick, and if you saw this kind of bullish divergence. We have a value area low right here. You can just take these trades, and yeah, I would put my stop losses always below the last swing low, and the target would be over here, the value area high. Additionally, I'm always seeing where the Fibonacci retracements are at. I'm always watching the golden pocket right here, which is pretty important. And we can also see here that we have a golden pocket right here. We have a value area high and a golden pocket, which means over here we have a pretty strong resistance. So I'm marking this one as resistance and also as my target. And if the price comes up to here, I'm putting an alert right here on TradingView. You can do the same. I'm putting it right in front of here that I get an alarm before it hits my level. And I'm writing in here resistance, potential short. And if the alert gets hit, here I have a folder here where I have alerts. I put it in here, lock it, close it out. I don't have to see it. And if the price is going right there, we get a notification, and I can look at on Market Cipher what Market Cipher is showing me. And you're always looking for these divergences, guys, which we covered in the last videos as well. We're always looking for the divergence where the price is making lower, and the price is getting lower, but the momentum is getting higher. Or over here, you can already see it over here as well. Let me just show you real quick. Over here is a pretty good example. Over here we're making higher highs, but the prices or the momentum waves are still getting lower here. So we could take one of these scalps, get in an entry and get in a really nice short position and just short it down. So you can always trade these ranges. I find it easier to trade these ranges honestly than breakouts, because if you trade these ranges and you say, oh my god, it's going to break out here, I'm going long, and whoop, it's coming back down to the point of control, coming back up to the value area high, coming back down to the value area low. You can see all these kind of things. So I'm a fan. If these sideways ranges, I want to buy low and sell high. That's basically my strategy. But it's obviously not that easy as because we always have. You could always have these kind of liquidation events where they are going to hit your stop losses and try to liquidate or stop you out, but it's okay, you know, we're just risking 1% of the trade every time. If we get stopped out, that's okay. We get stopped out, there's always a next trade. So yeah, I took some trades. There's some little short scalps, not much, just trying to build up my trading portfolio here. And we can basically do that with everything. Ethereum, same thing. Ethereum value area low. Let me see where I have the volume. Yeah, we can see it over here. We have the value area low. We have a daily here. We have a golden pocket right here. Pretty strong support. And we additionally have the bullish divergence here on the 2 hour, on the 1 hour time frame, where we make a lower low and here a lower high. That's for me a signal to go in these trades. I could wait for confirmation because it needs a lot of 7 minutes to confirm. Let me see the 3 hour. Also bullish divergence. The 4 hour, yeah, slightly bullish divergence, but it hasn't confirmed. But if I always wait for the confirmation, I miss out on these sniper entries, which I already did. I took this trade right now here, and we're additionally at the diagonal resistance line. So if we break this one, we can go up way higher. So yeah, I took a little Ethereum scalp. Right now I took a little Cosmos. It's basically all the same on all these kind of pairs, you know. Value area high was value area low was here, excuse me. Let me just remove that. Yeah, we're at the value area low right here. Bullish divergence. I'm taking this trade. And by the way, it's technically not too late to get in right here, because yeah, it's Market Cipher just confirms in like 1 hour, and if you want to be really safe, you always want to wait for the confirmation. So it's not too late. We're only risking 4%, so it's still a good risk to reward we're getting here value area high is technically around 41.50, which would be the target, but we also see we have a value area high right here and a daily, and we got some strong resistance over here, so we also have a target of 4 to 1 here. What else did I took? Solana was a really nice trade, but it went super quick. I couldn't even put a video out there. Here I'm as well the same value area low right here for our daily weekly support, and we see here these bullish divergence plus these green dots, guys. These green dots mark generally a bottom. That doesn't mean it can't go lower. It can just, because we're in a downtrend, just keep that in mind. We're in a downtrend. These bullish divergence don't play out that much if we are in an uptrend, but otherwise these shorts up, if we see bearish divergences, these play out way more than yeah, in an uptrend. So I took this trade. I'm already taking some profits here, 25% here, 25% here, putting my stop loss to break even, putting it to break even, and just letting the rest ride. That's my tactics for these kind of choppy ranges. I took a little bit on Harmony 1. We have these bullish divergence, but we don't see these reactions so far. So Harmony is technically not that strong right now, and we can see the money flow, yeah, is still leaving the asset a little bit, which is not that bullish of a sign. So I'm not that confident in the Harmony trade, but still I marked the level, pretty strong support level. I saw the bullish divergence. I'm in. I'm only risking these kind of percentages to gain this kind of stuff. So yeah, that's basically my plan. Then I took a Theta trade yesterday, but it was just another trade here. Yeah, that's basically where I'm standing right now. I'm just trying to trade these ranges as far as we are in here, and yeah, try to make some money over here and grow our trading account. That's really important, and let's see where it goes from here. So thank you guys for watching. As always, I hope you learned something, and yeah, if you like these kind of trading videos where I show you how to trade, I will show you an in-depth tutorial in the future where I show you everything I know. And yeah, so have a good day, guys. Trade carefully. Bye bye.